state government.
Meghalaya's Byrnihat area is facing a severe pollution crisis with toxic pollutants exceeding permissible limits. In response, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board has begun an intensive audit of industrial units in the area under orders from Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The audit findings are expected to be submitted by the end of this month. Meghalaya and Assam are working together to address the crisis, with Sangma reaching out to his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sharma.
So the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board regularly monitoring all the industries located in the Byrnihat area, and also some time and again we are surprise inspection also we are doing, and whichever the industries is not complying with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board, and we are giving directions under Water Act, Air Act, and also we are issuing closure notice if they are not complying in time frame. Then and also there are some instances we have imposed a normal compensation also. So this way we are regulating the Pollution Control Board. We are regulating the all industries to ensure the compliance of the Pollution Control Board norms. And
Shillong experienced a sudden shift in weather today.